Hey, health enthusiasts! Let's dive right in and talk about preventing and removing those pesky skin stains. Here are some quick, scientifically backed tips to keep your skin spotless and glowing. First up, prevention. Regular exfoliation is key. Gentle exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs help remove dead skin cells and prevent buildup. Did you know over-exfoliation can actually damage your skin? Stick to 2-3 times a week. Next, sunscreen. UV rays cause hyperpigmentation and sunspots. A broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher is your best friend. Apply every 2 hours when outdoors. Remember, even on cloudy days. Hydration is crucial. Drinking water and using a good moisturizer help maintain your skin's protective barrier. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Now let's tackle removal. Vitamin C serums are fantastic for lightening dark spots. They inhibit melanin production and brighten your skin. Apply in the morning before sunscreen. Retinoids are another powerhouse. They accelerate cell turnover and fade discoloration. Start with a low concentration and use at night. Always pair with sunscreen during the day. For a natural remedy, try aloe vera. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated skin and promote healing. Apply the gel directly to the stain and leave it overnight. Chemical peels can be effective too. They remove the top layer of skin, revealing fresh, even-toned skin underneath. Consult a dermatologist to find the right peel for your skin type. Don't forget about diet. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries and green tea fight free radicals and improve skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish and flax seeds help maintain skin elasticity. Lastly, consistency is key. Skincare results take time, so be patient and stick to your routine. And remember to patch test new products to avoid adverse reactions. Quick recap. Exfoliate, use sunscreen, and keep your skin hydrated to prevent stains. For removal, try vitamin C, retinoids, aloe vera, and chemical peels. Eat a skin-friendly diet and be consistent. This is general scientific knowledge, not medical advice. For personalized recommendations, always consult a dermatologist. For more quick health tips, subscribe to laprove.com, your source of Nopal, FDS, and Pinole. This was 30 Sec Health IQ 9 62. See you next time.